Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about name variable in a Python. So what is the use of name variable and how we can use that in our code? Basically, name variable is used to evaluate the name of our current module. Okay, so here I have one file called add.py which is having a one function called addition, and next I have one print statement which is calling that function with certain parameter. Okay, and let's see the output of name variable also when I am running this add.py file. So whenever I am running this add.py file itself, then name is giving me a output as a main. Okay, and so whenever I have this addition function, and in your script might be a function which is useful in another script also. So if I want to use this addition function in another file, then I need to import that function from that file wherever I need to use. Okay, so I need to use that addition function in this function.py file. So I have imported that addition function from package.add and imported that addition function. So in Python we can import the script as a module. So we have imported this addition function which is available in add.py file, and now I am running this function.py file. Then what will be the output? Let's see. So output is like this: 5. So whatever argument I have passed from these, which are printed after these two print statement which are available in add.py file. Okay, so what happened over here is whatever we have imported our addition from this add file, so this add file executed this two print statement and also this print statement which we have defined in function.py file. So this is how our import statement is working. Okay, so what if we don't need to print this addition function which are available in add.py file? Then how we can how we can use the name variable to prevent that? Okay, so whenever I am running this function.py file, that time name variable giving me a output as a package.add. So that name variable output is package.add, and if I am running this add.py file itself, like if I am running the current file, then it is giving me a main. So we can check the condition over here. If name is equal to main, right, and then only we need to run this two print statement, otherwise not. So whenever I am running the add.py file, that time only these two print statement will called, and they will call our addition function and print the output. So let's run this and try to look output. So I have run the add.py file, so they have printed the output of function and the name variable. And what if I am running now the function.py file? So that will only printed the uh, result of the addition function which we have defined over here in a print statement. Okay, so this is how you can use your script as a module. Okay, so this is the mainly use of the name variable inside of your script. I hope you have understood the concept of name variable. Thank you. See you in the next video.